I learned this from a 7-year-old relationship. This is how to make her chase you, want you, and stay with you. I have this friend, and his girlfriend broke up with him after a 2-year happy relationship. You know why this happened? Because he was the nice guy. He said yes to everything. He treated her like a princess. He didn't have kind of boundaries, and he was just being the nicest guy out there. And at the end of the day, he got played. He invested 2 years of his life satisfying this girl in every way, just at the end of the day to get played and this girl to leave him. Now, if you don't want this to happen to you, you can't play the nice guy. Girls are funny because they will tell you, I want a guy who's 6'2", earns 1 million per year, has a six-pack, is very nice, he's treating me well. And then you will see all their exes being drug addicts, basically nobody's, losers, toxic. And you're like, bro, what do you really want? Like, girls are fucked up and you cannot fail for their trap. The best thing you can do if you want to make a girl stay is to say no more often. Don't be the nice guy. Don't give her everything that she wants right in the moment when she wants it. Make her wait, make her desire a thing more, and make her kind of chase the thing that you want. That applies with everything when it comes to your girlfriend. If you have a girlfriend and she wants to go on a date with you every day, say no. We will not go out every day. If she wants to have sex every day, also say no. Maybe you want that, but from time to time say no. Make her want it, make her desire it even more, so the next time she appreciates it more. If you give everything, like she didn't even ask you for something, but you're just giving, you will end up being the one who is played and left because you were so nice, you gave too much. It's the same like a young kid inheriting all this wealth from his parents that he didn't work for. He will never be grateful for anything in his life. It's the same when you just give to your girlfriend and she didn't even deserve those things. It's the same as you giving millions to your ungrateful kid that has never worked in his life, and you will destroy this kid. You will basically destroy him. He was never prepared for all this wealth. It's the same. Your girlfriend was never prepared for all this attention you're giving her. She's telling you, yeah, I want to have a nice guy and settle down, but then she will cheat on that nice guy with some toxic guy again. If you want to make her stay, just don't be the nice guy. I'm not saying be toxic, beat her up, take drugs. I'm not saying those things. Be a man she respects. You can love a girl and she needs to respect you in order for the relationship to be good. If the woman that you're with doesn't respect you, just break up. It will not be a good relationship. It will end one way or the other. Most probably not in your favor, just like this guy. I was telling him, don't be this nice guy. This woman is manipulating you. She's not a good girl. She's just using you because you're just so nice. He was like, no, the things are in my control. Oh, blah, blah, blah. And the problem with guys is that you think that the women are just nice, like you.
Manipulators.
The women are basically... They are not these little angels that you think of them. If it's your high school sweetheart, great. Marry her, have children, spoil her and everything. But if you're just chasing some random hookers, you gotta be careful, because these women are the devil. They will use you, manipulate you, you spend your money, spend your resources, take advantage of you and everything. You gotta be careful who do you invest time in. I've seen so many men fail just because they got into the wrong relationship. I've seen it so many times. I've seen kingdoms fail just because the king got in a relationship with the wrong woman. I've read it plenty of times in the history, and it's happening to this day. I have friends of friends who basically failed miserably in life just because they got with the wrong girl. You gotta be careful around women, because as loving, as caring, as nice they can be the other way around. They basically can be the devil. You're like, you can't wear that dress out because it's your butt is swinging and your titties are out, and she's like, oh no, you're manipulating me, blah blah blah. Like, you give everything to this girl, and when she wants to go half naked out with her friends and get drunk, and you say no, now you're the bad guy. You're the one who's manipulating and controlling and everything. In life and with the girls, you gotta set boundaries. You cannot be the nice guy. Start saying no more often. You gotta say no like 85% of the time. If you want a girl to want you and to chase you and to desire you, you gotta say no 85% of the time. Let's go and do this? No. Let's get ice cream? No. Can I go out? No. Let's blah blah blah? No. And then from time to time you say yes. She will love you so much more and she will desire you. Also, if you want to make her basically attracted to you, you gotta have some mystery in the relationship. I'm not saying be mysterious like all the time, be James Bond. I mean, you're not James Bond, but at least have some kind of mystery. When she asks you, where are you tonight, when you're with your friends, be like, well, I guess you'll never know. I'm not telling you. Let her think about it. Let her be like, oh, who is this guy with? Maybe he's with his friends, but maybe there are some girls. Maybe he's with some other girl. Maybe he's there. Maybe he's there. You gotta make things interesting. You cannot be the boring type of guy that tells her everything and gives her everything. You gotta give her some kind of effort, some kind of resistance, some kind of mystery in order for you to be more attractive in her eyes. Make her wonder, basically. Where is my boyfriend? Like, is he with his friends getting drunk in some random bar? Or is he dealing drugs and doing some risky business? Or is he with some other bitch? Or is he with his mother at home watching a movie? Like, maybe you're with your mom at home watching a movie, but she will think that maybe you're a James Bond, going out in the real world, getting things done, doing some risky things. Her pussy will be more wet the next time you have intercourse, basically.